Hey hustlers, welcome to Hustle with Bafikile. You already know my name is Bafikile and you are welcome to the channel. So if you are new to the channel, thank you for popping by. Don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. I provide valuable content, content that will better our lives, my life and your life, and also improve our financial situation. Hence I talk about ways to make money, ways to improve our businesses, our small businesses, our side hustles, and yeah, I also talk about cryptocurrency. So basically we talk about creating different streams of income and also making extra money. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and also if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you, hustler. Thank you, friend. Thank you for popping by, and I am grateful to have you and talk to you today. So I have my notepad here that I am going to read from, because I do not want to, I do not want to waste your time. I know data is expensive. Okay, but anyway guys, today we are going to talk about the different types of funding that you can find in South Africa. So if you have an idea, you haven't started your business yet and you are looking for funding, or even if you've already started, you have an existing business, whether it's a small business or you have an existing business and you'd like to expand or grow your business or buy that expensive machine that you cannot afford to buy for your business. So I am going to name different forms of funding that you can apply for in South Africa. So anyway, the first one that I would like to talk about is investors. So with investors, you can have, for instance, a silent investor, somebody who's going to give you money for you to buy, whether it's stock, whether it's starting your business, for you to start your business, somebody who's going to give you money for that, and they are silently, they are not involved in your business. You do the day-to-day, but obviously they gonna get their return, right? So anyway, you can have a silent investor, or you can have an active investor. An active investor, it's somebody who's going to be active in your business, who's going to be involved in your business on a day-to-day or to whatever extent that they want to be involved in the business, making sure that everything is running smoothly, making sure that the business is growing and that the money is being used the way it's supposed to be used. So there are two different types of investors. Form of funding that you can opt for is the angel investors. So the angel investors are individuals who invest in startups in exchange for equity in the company. There are several angel investor networks in South Africa, such as the South African Business Angel Network. But remember, you can also be your own internal investor if you do not want to have an external investor. So you can save up money. For instance, let's say your business needs about 5,000 rand to start, or maybe it needs about 10,000 rand. So you can actually save up that money for you to start your business. Then in that way, meaning you are the internal investor, you are investing in your own business. So the second one that I would like to talk about is applying for a business loan. So this one is the credit. So credit, you can apply for this from any bank. They do provide business loans that you can apply for. There are requirements that you have to meet. You do have to have like a credit record. You know, you need to show that you'll be able to pay back the money, because this is money that is expected for you to pay back. So there are different forms. Each and every bank in South Africa does offer these business loans. So just make sure that you do your own research and see what's suitable for you, see what's going to be convenient for you, you know. Yeah, so that is the second one, is applying for a business loan or a credit, you know, credit for your business. So the third form of funding that you can opt for is the government grants and loans. So the South African government provides various grants and loans to small businesses. So you can apply for these. So there will be also some requirements that you have to meet. Most of them, you have to be a South African citizen, and some of them, they also specify the age that you have to be for you to apply. So these include grants and loans from the government, such as the Industrial Development Corporation and the National Empowerment Fund. Some of them, they do specify the ages that you need to be in, for instance, and they'll also tell you that they provide from how much to how much that you can apply for. Like, for instance, the National Empowerment Fund, you can apply for 250,000 to 75 million rand. So yeah, and this is for startups, and it's also for existing businesses. So whether you are starting up, you haven't started up yet, you still have your business idea, but you need funding for that, so you can actually apply for the National Empowerment Fund. And also, not only that, but this also includes, for instance, the NYDA. So with the NYDA, this is the National Youth Development Agency, and you have to be from ages, it's for youth people, it's for young people. So you have to be from 18 years to 35 years for you to be able to apply. And it's also for startups, and it's also for existing businesses, for existing companies. Yes. And with the NYDA, you can also apply even if you just need a 5,000 rand. I think they actually start from, for startups, I think you can apply from 1,000 rand. If you just need 1,000 rand to 10,000 rand, you can apply even if you need that much. You do not need too much, you know. So yeah, these are the types of government loans and grants that you can apply for. All you need to do, from everything that I've just mentioned, you can go on Google and read about what they have to offer, how much they are offering, and their qualifying criterias, for you to see if you meet them and how they can help you. And you also see the contact information, you'd see the branches where they are located, and how you can apply. With most of these, you can even apply online. You do not need to go there directly. So yeah, guys, let's actually learn to make Google our friend, with everything that has to do with your business, from your products to everything else that you need to know, that you are asking yourself about. If you do not know, before anything else, you go to Google. Go to Google, go to YouTube. Come to my YouTube channel and check if I do not share about anything that you are curious about, that you need information on. Let's do our research. Let's learn about the industry that we want to venture into, or the industry that we are in already. Let's see what other people are doing in that industry, what other businesses, other companies are doing in that industry. And also, let's learn about our own products, if you're looking for a manufacturer, if you're looking for a supplier, let's use the tools that we have. You know, they are free. So let's go on Google, let's come to YouTube, and let's stay informed, you know, stay afloat, and yeah, let's be informed on what we want to do. So anyway, yes, so those are the government grants, yes, that you can apply for. Another form of funding that you can opt for in South Africa that's available for you is the venture capitalist. That's another option. So venture capitalists invest in startups in exchange for equity in the company. There are several venture capital firms in South Africa, such as NEF Capital and HAVAIC. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but anyway, I'll write it here for you to see, so you can read more about it, yeah, if you want to opt for that option. So yes, so the next one is the crowdfunding. You know, crowdfunding platforms allow businesses to raise funds from a large number of people, often through online campaigns. Some of the popular crowdfunding platforms in South Africa include a Tunda Fund and Start Me. So I will write these names on the screen here so that you can get to read them in case I'm not pronouncing the name correctly. But yes, so that you can do your research. So the last one that I'm going to talk about is the business incubators and accelerators. So they are programs that provide funding, they provide mentorship and resources to startups that you can also apply for in South Africa. Some of the business incubators and accelerators in South Africa that you can apply for include the Innovation Hub, and it also includes the MEST Africa Incubator. Maximize your chances and apply for as much funding as you can. And also guys, if there is any other funding option that I didn't name that you know about, you can also comment it down below, you know, to help each other, you know, so that other people can get to see that option as well. And also guys, don't forget to like this video. I mean, like, I put so much into these videos. I spend my time researching and yeah, you know, reading about these things and taking my time to put together this video and making sure that I'm providing valuable content. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video.